Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a promo code to Grubhub orders. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a promo code because you just received one. How do you actually go ahead and add a promo code to your orders? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the Grubhub app. Next, you want to click on an order. So simply just add an order and then it's going to be added to the cart. And notice the bottom banner that says view order. Click on view order and then let's continue to checkout. And then when you click on continue to checkout, this is where you're going to be able to add your promo code. So you can add a promo code here and enter add promo code and then enter a promo code here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a promo code to Grubhub. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in